Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a simple get ready with me. If you like this type of simple, easy step but effective makeup, you will be interested in today's video. I'm mainly using two things from Florasis. One is the new cream blush. The full name is Peony Rosy Blush. My color is 12. And their new pressed setting powder. It is called Florasis Gorgeous Peach Blossom Silk Powder, but it's in color 04 purple. I'm sure you are interested. I quickly just show you guys the difference between the new colored powder to the translucent powder. Both are jade white. Those two, by the way, those two are sent by Florasis. Thank you so much, my lovely Florasis. When you just see on its own, you don't see that much difference, but when you put the two together, ooh, you can see the color difference now. When you see these swatches as well, this is 04, this is translucent 02. You still don't see that much. You will only see the brightness, gentle brightness of this new purple 04 one on the face. And let's use it. I haven't changed my way of doing my base makeup, so we will fast forward on this part. You will still see what I'm doing, but I won't explain into details, if you know what I mean. My skin recently has kind of recovered well. Ignore, the little bit blemish marks, but other than that, the skin condition itself, not too bad. I will just straight away use the Florasis Cushion Foundation. That would recommend go for another spray. And then today's look is pretty much just going to be done by this cream blush. This color is very multifunctional and, it designed suits a lot of skin tones. When you touch the surface, it's very smooth. It's like, powder muddy feel. Oh, the color is designed very well. It's like a milky, peachy, orange, but it has a little bit of pink undertone. I normally just grab another puff, start from your cheek, like that. You squeeze your puff like this, and then go over, connect this, go over your eyelid, like that. You don't need to worry about the pigment as we haven't set with powder yet. So once you set with powder, it will even or soft out the color a little bit. You still always see the difference. Here you feel like being lifted up. Keep you guys to see the details, especially say on this side. It's just like a melt into your skin and reflecting some healthiness from inside out. For the eyes, we will come back to use the color again, but for now we can set the face. Florasis powder product is excellent, absolutely excellent. It has its new grinding technology as well as its powder technology. This powder is similar as the previous loosing setting powder as well. It has the ingredients of catching the natural daylight, which really reflect into the finish, give you a very natural, healthy skin finish. I'm going to use the new color, which is 04. It has the purple grinding underneath, will really balance it out, especially if you have like yellow patches, uneven skin tones. This one will really give you the good result. My smiley line here hasn't been set and here has been set. Here it's just been softened out. Florasis powder never sink into the lines. Well, at least to me. Never happened to me. Okay, can you see this side? Compared to before? And then for the rest of the face, I'm going to use the translucent baked one. The translucent powder, the finishing is very similar like a NARS, very famous NARS setting powder. But it's even finer than the NARS one. Let me quickly get the brow down, then we come back to the eyes. Why I feel like this brow is darker than this? Come back to the cream blush. I will add color closer to the lash line. First, can you guys see? Straight away. And then gently blend it upwards. Not too much, as we want to see the transition. Same for the lower lash line. Zigzag. Drag it out just slightly. And that's it. I will contour first before the eyeliner and the lashes. I'll finish the eye look with a little bit of bling. Going to use the Florasis highlighter, Twin Lotus Relief Luminous Glow Highlighter 02 Amber Glow. This is really nice. I rarely use colored highlighter, but this one is really nice. Going to use a little bit for the center of the eyes. See? And gently on the cheek. This one merged with the blush color so well. Can you guys see? Simple, right? Simple. Now finish the lashes. For the lip, I'm going to use Florasis Liquid Lipstick M308. Then I'm going to use a little bit of blush color on the lip. Job done. Who wouldn't like this daily natural look? This color in particular, 12. Color is very energetic, but it's not too much towards cuteness. It still carries the lady matureness in there. Therefore, it really makes me look fresh and lower down my age, visual-wise. Although I don't have too much concerns about age itself, but you know, if we can have some simple makeup look and make us look younger, who would say no? And those two new items from Florasis, have you guys tried yet? What do you think? And I haven't shown you guys the packaging. It's very cute and very, you know, cute size. Look. I would say it's a multifunctional cream product. You can use it on the eyes, on the cheek, and you can also use it on the lip, to be honest. When you want to have food, then just wipe it off. Reapply it afterwards. Job done. Hope you liked today's video. If you do, click the like button. Most importantly, to subscribe to my channel down here. I will see you on my next video.